सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 3, verse number 26. न बुद्धिभेदं जनयेत् अज्ञानां कर्मसङ्गिनां जोषयेत् सर्वकर्माणि विद्वान् युक्तः समाचरन्। Lord Krishna advising to Arjuna to perform his duty. Everyone has to perform their own duty, and he says perform every action with the opinion of as a duty. Every action. Even if you think you are a jnani, also you have to perform your duty. As an ignorant person, if you perform duty, it will give chitta shuddhi, purity of mind. If you think you are a wise person, it is useful for others, you be an exemplary. You are a model, exemplary like Janakas or like me, Bhagavan tells. So therefore anyhow you have to perform your duty. Just as the people perform their duty with asakti, lot of interest, phalasakti. Similarly, Vidwan, the wise person in the society, perform his or her duty without any asakti, without any phala asha. Activity is same, performing action is same outside, but internal attitude is different. How the internal attitude is different? Ignorant people perform actions with result orientation, lot of anxiety, lot of expectation. But whereas the wise person perform his duty without any anxiety, without any worry, without any future anxiety or insecurity. In one word we can say, Jnani performs action with Purnatvam. With Purnatvam he performs the action. Whereas Ajnanis, they perform for Purnatvam, for completeness, for security, for ananda, for peace they perform. This person perform with peace, shantama vela pannuva, with full security, santoshama vela pannuva. That is the difference between Jnani and Ajnani's karma difference. Internal attitude is the difference, not any external actions difference. Therefore Lord Krishna says, if a person withdraw from the duty, his own duty, what will happen? He is causing delusion in the minds of the people. Lord Krishna says, Na buddhi bhedam janayet. Ajnanam, the ignorant people who are karma sanginam, who are attached to their family responsibilities, very much moving here and there, interacting with the world violently. Karma sanga is there for them. They are ignorant, ajnanam. Then for them, don't confuse them. For their sake, you perform the action. Joshayet sarva karmani. Joshayet means inspire them, encourage them, applaud them, give claps to them when they are performing. Just as when the baby is maybe a child, taking the part in that running race. Even though the child is behind, what the mother does, she gives clap. Run fast. That is called encouragement. So similarly, mother encourages her child. Similarly, a jnani, wise person also should encourage the ajnanis who are all karma sangis. Karma sangi attached to their own duties. Let them attach to them. That's why in our family also, suppose one member is so much attached to the family responsibilities and all, we need not criticize them, we need not look down upon them. Encourage them. One day they themselves come out. That maturity automatically will come. But porumaya namma wait pannanum avladha. Just as Guru wait until the Shishya get Brahma Jnanam. Years together the Guru is teaching, Teacher should not ask, innu varliya Brahma Jnanam, innu varliya nu kekakudadu. Eppo varumo appo varum. And the time it will take its own time, the maturity, person to person it differs. Similarly, withdrawal of the duties from the world, person to person it differs. We need not look down upon anyone. According to their swabhava, they do action. Therefore, Arjuna, Joshayet. As a popular person you are in the society, you fight here and encourage other people also to fight against adharma. So those who are all in the adharmic side, you have to fight with them by seeing you people also attack adharma and they will also follow dharma. Joshayet. Therefore, all our family responsibilities, all our whatever responsibilities we have to do all of them. No choice. That's what Bhagavan want to convey in this shloka. Otherwise, society will get disharmony. Society will become disharmonious. Harmony will go in the society, in the family. Let's say one person is irresponsible in the family. Suppose how many problems will take place, One person is irresponsible in the family. Either husband or son or daughter or any member of the family. They are irresponsible. The whole family will be disturbed. The whole family will be disturbed. Therefore, to avoid the disturbance in the family, to avoid the disturbance in the minds of our family members, clear? To avoid the disturbance, ada buddhi bhedam anna. Buddhi bhedam na janayed. Idu na panna maate, idu na panna maate nu solladena. Do your duty. Next shloka. 27. Prakrite kriyamani gunaih karmani sarvashah ahankara vimudhatma कर्ताहमिति मन्यते. 27, 28 and 29 are very, very important shlokas. Lord Krishna is giving the comparative study between Jnani's action and Ajnani's action. A wise person performance and otherwise person. Unwise or ignorant person performance. What is the difference? He gives beautifully. With these verses he is going to conclude that Loka Sangraha topic. By 29th shloka he is going to conclude that Loka Sangraha topic. Why one has to perform the duty, how to perform, all those points he concludes by 29th shloka. So in this shloka, Lord Krishna gives the differences. First he mentions how the Ajnani perform his duties. Ignorant person, how he performs. He tells, Prakritehe kriyamanani gunaihi. Prakritehe kriyamanani gunaihi karmani sarvashaha. Sarvashaha karmani. All your duties, sarvashaha karmani. All the actions, varieties of actions. At any condition, whatever you perform, the duties, karmani means laukika karmani va or Shrauta karmani. Whatever the duties given by the Shastra or what are all the duties generally we do for in our life. In our life regularly we do all those actions, we can take karmani means. How they do? Kriyamanani prakritehe gunaihi. Kriyamanani means they are all done. How they do? Gunaihi prakrite. By the gunas, prakritehe, of the prakriti. Under all conditions, how they perform their duties, they are all done according to their gunas of prakriti. So, whenever we are performing some duties, there is a force behind it. What is that force? Prakritehe gunaihi. Prakriti means what? Gunaihi means what? I will tell you. Prakriti means here Maya, subtlest form of energy or basic matter principle, Prakriti. And that Prakriti has got gunas. Prakritehe means of that Prakriti. Gunaihi means by the gunas. Gunas means here sattva, rajas, tamas. Gunaihi. By the gunas, with those gunas. These gunas are what? Prakriti vikaraha. Sattva guna, rajo guna, tamo guna are prakriti vikara. So the gunas, the products, they are products of prakriti, maya. So every person is having either sattva guna or rajo guna or tamo guna dominantly. Moodu gunangal irukku. 3 gunas are there within us. But one guna is dominant, first place. Second guna, second place. Other guna, third place. There is a gradation. The prakritehe gunaihi sarvashaha karmani kriyamanani. All our actions are done by the force of our gunas which are the products of Prakriti. இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு தெரியாது. Why that person is behaving like this? Why this person is behaving like this? We ask. Shastra says he is propelled by, he is pulled by, focused by his swabhava. Ada prakritehe gunaihi ityartha. Sarvashaha. This ajnani, ignorant person. Second line, ahankara vimudhatma karta aham iti manyate. Everyone is propelled by the gunas only. Those gunas which are all products of Prakriti. This ignorant person, ahankara vimudhatma. Ahankara vimudhatma means, ahankara means body mind complex. This ahankara is the name, a technical name which is born out of Prakriti guna. It is a technical term given to the ahankara. Prakriti guna anu chonnalum ahankaram anu chonnalum onnudha. The ahankaram, even Jnani also has got. Jnani also, there is a ahankara. Without ahankara you cannot do any action. I notion is there. But he is vimudhatma. Every one of us born with Prakriti guna only. But ignorant person is dominated by these Prakriti gunas. What? Karta aham iti manyate. Ahankara vimudhatma. Vividhena, vividharupena moham. Deluded in many ways. He is deluded by many ways because of ahankara. What type of ahankara? I am this body, I am this mind. And the body mind complex nanda. And when the one body is doing what he says, I am doing. When mind is involved, I am involved, he says. That is called here aham karta. I am the doer. Iti manyate, he consider. I am the performer of this action. With this ahankara he performs. Which ahankara is born out of three gunas? Which three gunas are the products of Prakriti? Very, very technical slokas. That's why we are not able to understand the person behavior in spite of 25 years. Kalyanam aachu 30 varsham 60 varsham ana kuda I am not able to understand my wife. How can you understand Maya, Prakriti, Swabhavam? It is violently changing all the time. You may understand some extent, but totally you cannot understand. Jnani alone can understand. And Ajnani cannot understand. Why this behavior? That's why many times we fail to change the people. Impossible. Better to change yourself. Never try to change others. I told one story. One ship is going. That captain is there. He is that sailing in matter. Ship is going in the water. Then that person giving an order to there is another ship, and he is telling that ship captain Michael. So you change your course of action. He is shouting in the mic. They will wireless and matter. You change your course of action means don't come to my direction. You change your direction. I want to go this direction. From that side sound comes. You change your course of direction. I cannot change. This person says, no, I am ordering. I am the captain of this ship. I am ordering, you have to change. From that side again answer comes, no, I cannot change. You have to change. Then this person is wild again. Third time he gave warning. You have to change your course of action, and that means direction. Then that side answer comes, I am a lighthouse. I am giving warning to you. There is a big stone in front of you. You have to change your course of action. Lighthouse, it is message is coming. This person is not understanding that light is another ship. From far distance, he is not able to see which is lighthouse. I am a lighthouse here. So, how can lighthouse can change? Similarly, you cannot change other people. But we have to change. Wise, become wise and understand the Maya Prakriti gunas. That's why you cannot adjust the knobs of the whole world. But this wise, ignorant person, ahankara vimudha atma. Mudham anna moham. Deluded. Not ordinarily deluded. Vimudha. Totally engrossed in ajnana. கொஞ்சம் கூட கொஞ்சம் டிஸ்கிரிமினேஷனும் கிடையாது, ஞானமும் கிடையாது, விவேகமும் கிடையாது. நம்ம மாப்பிள்ள மாதிரி அவனுக்கு புரியாது, நம்ம சொன்னாலும் புரியாதுன்ன மாதிரி சில பேர் அப்படிதான். நமக்கு தலை பிரேக் ஆகணும், அவ்வளவுதான், வடிஞ்சு போயிடும் அவங்களுக்கு சொல்லி சொல்லி சொல்லி. அதெல்லாம் கஷ்டப்பட வேண்டாம், விடுங்க, அவ்வளவுதான், ப்ரே பண்ண, அவ்வளவுதான். அகங்கார விமூடாத்மா கர்த்தா அகமிதி மன்யதே. So they all perform like that. So therefore, Lord Krishna says, Arjuna, you see how wise person perform. Next shloka. Tattva vittu mahabaho guna karma vibhagayoho guna guneshu vartante iti matva na sajjate. These are the internal differences between jnani and ajnani. What are the internal differences? This person will never be affected by any action. In the second chapter, we saw 11th verse onwards up to 25th, Sthita Prajna, how Jnani behaves. Not Sthita Prajna Lakshanas, but the whole knowledge Bhagavan has given about Atma Jnanam. Same way, Bhagavan in nutshell brings here how a Jnani is able to perform without any attachment. What is the reason? What is the secret? We have to understand, bring from that second chapter the whole thing. Then only you can, this sloka is meaningful. Guna karma vibhagayoho tattvavidana. What is guna? What is its function? What is sattva guna? What is its function? What is rajo guna? What is its function? He knows. This person knows. Now first lesson, I have to give some background to understand this shloka. What is the difference between the action of an ignorant person? What is the difference between an action of a wise person? Between these two of them. What is the internal change? First lesson we have to understand. This wise man knows I am the experiencer. First lesson. Lesson number 1. I am the experiencer. Or I experience the different objects. I experience different objects. And whatever I experience is not me. I am different from the experienced objects. This wise man knows I am the experiencer, and what am I experiencing is different from me. Ignorant person also experiencing so many things. Wise person also experiencing so many things in the life, in the world. But wise person knows, since I am the experiencer is different from the experienced objects. This person knows. So right side is a wise person, okay. Left side is a ignorant person. Whenever I show, you have to understand. This is the first lesson. This is the internal attitude of a wise person. Second lesson, we have to know. What is the second lesson? Since whatever I experience is different from me, since I am experiencing the body, okay, since I am experiencing the body, since I am experiencing the mind, my body, they also must come under objects, experienced objects. What is second point? Whatever I experience is not me. Therefore, body and mind, since I am experiencing them, they are not me. Very, very important lesson, foundation for whole Vedanta. I experience this book. Every one of us can say, yes, Swamini, I am different from the book. Easy to say. I am experiencing the fan. I am different from the fan. We are intelligent in this. இதுக்காக இது PhD படிக்கணுமா? ஏதாவது காலேஜுக்கு போகணுமா? அவசியமே இல்லை. Whatever I experience, this dress I am wearing, I am experiencing, I am different from the dress. But when it comes to the body, mind, we have to go little subtler. Since I am experiencing my body, am I experiencing or not? Every one of us experiencing our body. Therefore, the law is, whatever I experience is different from me. It is not me. Therefore, this body also not me. Who knows? This wise person knows. This wise person knows. Whereas Ajnani do not know. How this person knows? Attending Gita class Saturday. Attending Gita class, studying thoroughly, understood. It is true. It is not a belief. Is it a belief? It is true. The small girl also nodding her head. யாருக்கு புரியாது? சின்ன குழந்தை கூட புரியுமே இந்த விஷயம். மனசு also I am experiencing my mind. காலையில் ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கு, மத்தியானம் ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கு, நைட் ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்க போகுது. I am experiencing, seeing the mind also. The experiencer must be different. This is the second lesson. Over. It is clear, it is not a belief. It is a knowledge. It is an understanding. Next, third lesson. See, this wise person knows another thing. The experiencer of this body, mind, am consciousness. Third lesson. First, seeing the whole world, all objects are different from me. First lesson. Second lesson, I am this body, mind. I am the experiencer, body, mind experienced by me. Therefore, they are also different from me. Second lesson. Then the third lesson is the experiencer, I am the consciousness. Chaitanyam, Brahmaswarupam, Atmaswarupam, Aham, Asmi. It is not just a belief, something to write. It is a fact. The scriptures. Wonderful truth. The truth in the world. I, the consciousness, experiencer of this body, this mind, and the whole world. Not same, I am different. World, body, mind are not me. I am the consciousness. Therefore, this Jnani knows what? Gunaha guneshu vartante. Adida. In the third lesson, I am the Chaitanyam, consciousness. I the consciousness like a magnet. Magnet munadi. No, all iron pieces, no? Iron pieces are there. Magnet won't move. All of them they move. In front, presence of the magnet. Magnet abadiye irukum. Steady. It will not do any functions, but all the iron pieces will go on active. No? Similarly, I, the consciousness is like a magnet. This body, mind, complex plus world is like iron pieces. Beautiful example. Clear. So body, this trigunatmikam manaha. Mind is made up of what? 5 panchabhutas. Gunaha guneshu. Gunaha means a product in this context. Gunaha means there are so many meanings. Guna means virtues. Character is called guna. Rope is also called guna. A rope also can be called as guna in Sanskrit. But in this context, guna means here we have to take it's a product. Vikara, modification. The entire world, body, even the mind is the product of matter, that is Prakriti alone. Whatever is made up of matter is material. Very, very important, beautiful sloka. Whatever is made up of matter, okay, these gunas, sattva, rajas, tamo gunas is made up of maya, prakriti, which is matter. Okay. Since they are made up of matter, all the products must be material. Whatever is made up of matter is called material. Now, the whole world is made up of matter, 5 elements. Matter means Prakriti. Moola Prakriti, Maya Prakriti is called matter. Shakti, Maya, Jadam is made up of matter. That matter is called material. The product is called material. Therefore, we call this world as materialistic world. Materialistic world. Okay, world is made up of 5 elements. What about body, mind? Tattva bodha kera. Body, mind first. Mind is also made up of 5 elements. Pancha jnanendriyani, pancha karmendriyani, pancha pranas, manas, buddhi, all are made up of 5 elements. So made up of matter, material. Whatever is made up of matter is material. Body is made up of 5 elements, material. Material, body is material, mind is material, whole world is material. Material is interacting with the material world. That's called materialistic. In my so many years course, I never used this word. Today only I am using. Materialistic body, material body, mind interacting with the material world is called materialistic. A person who is engrossed in this Maya, Prakriti, body, mind complex, I am, aham, I am interacting with the material world, he is a materialistic person. Who is materialistic person? இது வரைக்கும் இந்த வார்த்தை சொல்லவே இல்லை. இன்னைக்கு என்னமோ புதுசா வந்தது, கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் வந்ததோ என்னமோ தெரியல. பரவாயில்ல.
பட் ஐடியா இருக்கு, இந்த மாதிரி பிரசன்டேஷன் பண்ணல நான். So the materialistic, the mind body made up of matter is called material. What we are doing now? Jnanendriyani, karmendriyani, all are come under karanas. Karanams. The whole world is karyam. Karya karana sanghata. Interaction. Material is interacting with the material. Gunaha guneshu vartante. Gunaha means sense organs. Second line you see. Gunaha means sense organs. Guneshu means vishayeshu. Corresponding objects. Corresponding objects means eyes. These eyes are sense organs. Gunaha. An instrument made up of 5 elements. It's a material. Interacting with what? External forms. External world, colors and forms. That is called Guneshu. Gunaha Guneshu Vartante. Who knows? Jnani knows this. Similarly, ear, made up of 5 elements. Shabdam. Therefore, Panchabhutas, Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha of their properties, all are one set. And those set made up of these karanams, this karyam, karanam, sanghatam. Because ears made up of akasha, Shabda guna. What they do? They hear the sound. Gunaha guneshu. Taste, rasanendriyam, jalatatvam. Rasanendriyam made up of what? Jalam. That's why taste. அப்படி குணாக குணேஷு வர்த்தந்தே. டச், ஸ்வகிந்திரியம். சேம் வே திஸ் இஸ் வாயு, ஸ்பர்ஷ இந்திரியம். So see, when vayu is touching, mukku does not know, ears does not know, eyes do not know, tongue also cannot know. Who knows the vayu touch? The air touch. Vayu means air. Who knows? Sparsha, skin. Sparsha indriyam, svagindriyam knows. Why? Gunaha guneshu vartante. Nice breeze touching to your body. Immediately what do you feel? Nalla kaathu varudhe. காத்து வருதுன்னு கண்ணுக்கு தெரியறதா, மூக்குக்கு தெரியறதா, நாக்குக்கு தெரியறதா, காதுக்கு தெரியறதா? இல்ல, இங்கதான் தெரியறது. என்ன இது? குணாஹ குணேஷு வர்த்தந்தே. புரியுதா? அதுதான். Who knows this? Those who attend Bhagavad Gita class, they only know. Otherwise, how they know other people? You tell me. Without studying from a teacher, it is very difficult to know. This person knows what is there. This matter which is made up of 5 elements interacting with the Akasha, Shabdam, Sparsha, Jalam, Rupam, Rasam, Gandham, everything is interacting. என்னென்ன அவங்க உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அனுமாட்ட. They're all friends. இதுதான் நம்ம பண்றோம் சின்ன வயசுல இருந்து. புரியுறதா? குணாஹ குணேஷு வர்த்தந்தே இதி மத்வா. Having known this, இந்த மாதிரி ஞானம் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் மத்வா ந சஜ்ஜதே, he will not be affected by that. அதுக்கு ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப் தானே, விட முடியாது இல்லையோ, போ சொல்லணும், அவ்வளவுதான். குணாஹ குணேஷு வர்த்தந்தே, they will interact each other. இதி மத்வா, having considered, having understood like this, ந சஜ்ஜதே, this person will not be afflicted by anything it happens because their nature to interact with them. This person knows. So I am what I am now. I, the experiencer, is non-material consciousness. Material interaction. This person knows. He is called spiritual person. Spiritualistic. ஏதோ ஸ்பிரிச்சுவல் நினைக்காதுங்கோ. There are people, some spiritualistic. Different spirit. நம்ம spirit வேற. Consciousness. I am not material, matter, principle because I am experiencing those gunas. I'm experiencing the taste, I'm experiencing the sound, I'm experiencing the form, I'm experiencing the touch, I'm experiencing the everything. Therefore, whatever I'm experiencing is not me. They are interacting with the world. Therefore, both of them, let them interact. I will not touched by them. Na sajjate. He will not be affected by them. Hey Mahabaho Arjuna. இருக்கிறதுக்கு பெரிய பெரிய புஜங்கள் இருக்கு, அவனுக்கு சக்தி இருக்க, இந்த ஞானம் இல்லைன்னா என்னப்பா சொல்றார் பகவான். ஏ மகாபாஹோ, யூ ஆர் ஹேவிங் மைட்டி ஆர்ம்ஸ், பட் கொஞ்சம் புத்தி வேணுமப்பா சொல்றாரு. Therefore, what is this body? Made up of matter. However much you go to beauty parlor, எவ்வளவு பண்ணாலும் மேட்டர் தான். அதுதான், you cannot improve anything. It is as though improvement next day, second day, it comes its own shape. எவ்வளவு பண்றோம் பாருங்க இந்த பிரகிருதிக்காக. whatever we are doing, wasting our time. That's why accept it. This person accepts this body matter, mind matter, let it interact. I will not be affected by this. Guna guneshu vartante iti matva na sajjate. Wise person will never afflict by this. That's why you like it or not. See, you like it or not. Temperature changes, no? Udane temperature will change in the body. Cold temperature, no, cold. Immediately temperature changes. ஏதாவது பண்ண முடியுமா இதுக்குன்னா? அந்த வாட்டர்ல ஏதோ ப்ராப்ளம்னா இங்க ப்ராப்ளம் வந்துடும், அங்க ஃபுட்ல ப்ராப்ளம் வந்தா இங்க ப்ராப்ளம் வந்துடும். இம்மீடியட்லி எஃபெக்ட்னா வெரி வெரி co-related, but they are all, both of them related. Don't think it is mine. That's why Bhagavan, இது வந்து பிரகிருதி, due to 5 elements, be untouched inside. Therefore, that's why mosquitoes are also mosquitoes are coming and biting is what? Guna guneshu vartante. இல்லையோ, குணா குணேஷ் வர்த்தந்தே. மஸ்கிட்டோ மேட்டர், இது மேட்டர், அதுக்கு வந்து டிரான்சாக்ஷனு. என்ன பண்றது? எவ்வளவு ஃபேனை வச்சாலும் கூட அது வந்து கடிச்சிட்டு தான் போவோம். ஏன்னா நம்மளோட கர்மா அங்க பிராரப்தம் எக்ஸாஸ்ட் ஆகணும். I have to exhaust my pain through that mosquito. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி விடாதுங்கோ, எல்லாம் கடைக்கிட்ட வந்து. Don't use that. Just I'm telling. Don't be restless. Even one mosquito bite you, nothing will happen. But don't be restless. It's natural. That's why certain things we have to accept. Next shloka. Prakritir guna sammudhaha sajjante guna karmasu तान कृष्ण विदो मंदान कृष्ण विन्न विचालयेत. So the ignorant person take himself as the body which is matter, anatma, anityam, and become the victim of all the time. Whatever happens in anatma, he will become the victim because of ignorance. Whereas the wise person will never become the victim, never become the sufferer of body mind complex. Even little bit suffering is there, also immediately he bounce back. கொஞ்சம் ஏதாவது இருந்தா கூட உடனே he will pick up. Bounce back means what? He come to his own nature because of studying Bhagavad Gita. இந்த சேஞ்ச் உடனே வரலன்னா கூட கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் முள்ளமா வந்துடும். Not like a clay ball, but like a rubber ball. Rubber ball, no, if you push down, no, it will come up. அதே clay ball அவ்வளவுதான். யதா கந்துக பாத்தேனா. The mrid kandukam, the clay ball, it cannot come up. The rubber ball jumps up. So Jnani mind is like a rubber ball. அதான் மனசு வந்து லைட்டாக இருக்கும். ஏதாவது கொஞ்சம் ப்ராப்ளம் வந்தால் கூட ஓகே, ஜஸ்ட் ப்ரஷஸ் என்ன, இன்னும் சும்மா ப்ரஷஸ் பண்ண முடியுமா என்ன, இந்த எல்லாம் இன்வோக் பண்ணணும் இந்த ஞானம். அந்த டைமுக்கு கிரைசிஸ் வந்தப்போ இதெல்லாம் ஞாபகம் இருக்குமா என்ன, இருக்கணும். இருந்தா யூ ஆர் ஞானின்னு அர்த்தம். That means you are utilizing the treasure of knowledge at the time of crisis. Otherwise, you will become flat. See the difference between a Jnani and Ajnani. Jnani also get body pains. Jnani also get censure. Jnani also get problems. But this person will not become like a clay ball, but a rubber ball. புரியுறதா? கீதா ஸ்டூடெண்ட் எப்படி இருக்கணும்? ரப்பர் பால் மாதிரி இருக்கணும். கீதா கிளாஸ் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் கூட கிளே பால் மாதிரி இருந்தான்னு இன்னும் பிராக்டிஸ் நிறைய பண்ணணும்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகே, so therefore in this shloka Lord Krishna says, therefore Arjuna, wise people look at their duties like this. Otherwise people, ignorant people, look at their duties like this because they consider I am the karta. Phalapeksha, worry, anxiety about the results. என்ன ஆகுமோ அதுதான் ஆகும். The ignorant people know like that, they suffer. Wise person, ஈஸ்வரார்ப்பண புத்தி, prasada buddhi, phalapeksha illamale, he performs the action and takes the Bhagavan's as prasadam, whatever result comes, relaxed. இல்லைன்னா படு மனமே படுன்னா. இந்த ஞானம் என்ன சொல்லுவா மனசுக்கு? மைண்ட்ஸ் ஓ ரிலாக்ஸ் ஓ மைண்ட், మనసా ఎటులోర్తునే నా మొరవిని చేకొనవే అని త్యాగరాజ sang in Malaya Maruta Ragam. మనసా ఎటులోర్తునే, ఓ మైండ్, how can I bear your lot of changes in you, please come to Rama's feet. மனசுக்கு சொல்றாரு அவர். அதே மாதிரி நம்ம மனசுக்கு நம்ம சொல்லணும். எப்பப்போ ப்ராப்ளம் வருமோ, எப்பப்போ மனசுல அலஜடி வருமோ, அந்த கொந்தளிப்புன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையோ, மனசுல வரும்போது I have to bring the mind to that level. That is the purpose of studying of Bhagavad Gita. Okay, this is the purpose. மறக்க கூடாது. He says prakritehe guna sammudhaha. Now you see, ignorant person who is deluded by the prakriti guna, taking the body which is matter, prakriti gunam, made up of sattva rajas tamo guna, body is made up of tamo guna, antakaranam is made up of rajo guna. So all these interacting prakriti gunaha vimudhatma vimudhaha guna karmasu sajjante. Guna karmasu. Guna karmasu means what? This guna means karanam. Karmasu means its functions. Guna karmasu means deha, indriya, manaha is called guna here. Body, mind, complex. Karma means their functions. Sabda sparsha, chakshurindriyam, sparshindriyam, ghanindriyam, rasanindriyam, all these 5 sense organs, their karma என்ன? பார்க்கறது, பேசுறது, கேட்கறது எல்லாமே all their karma. இதுதானே பண்றோம். என்ன பண்றோம் வேற சொல்லுங்க? What we are doing? Seeing, listening, talking, tasting, touching. இதுதானே பண்றோம் டெய்லி. Guna karmasu. Guna means all the sense organs. Karma means their functions. Guna karmasu sajjante. It is attached. Guna karmasu Sajjante. Sajjante means he is attached. Get attached to the prakrite. Prakriti guna, basic matter. Prakriti guna means basic matter. Maya, prakriti, sattva, rajas, tamo gunatmika. Maya, asti, made up of matter. And it is also made up of matter. And he takes it as real. He takes body as real, mind as real, interactions as real, and their problems are also real. And crying. That's why all our problems, whatever word, all our problems are nothing but in the guna, karma, vibhaga, jnanam kadiyadu namakku. Tattvavitna, the knower of this guna, karma, vibhaga. As the previous sloka enna now, tattvavit na sajjante, because he is the knower of guna and karma. Sense organs interacting with their corresponding field, that's all. What Swamini, that's all? Ivala kashtam theriyuma Swamini handle pandrathu. Ama kashtanda. Tattvavid guna karma vibhaga, distinctly he knows, clearly he knows. Adada avanude vela adadu paathukanum avladha enna nadakattum munna. You should not overpowered, dominant by this prakriti and guna. Look at them as experiencer. Apply the law. Experiencer is different from the experienced. And the law apply panni, problem vandappo, I am the experiencer of the problem. Therefore, problem is not me. What's Vedanta over? When the problem comes, since I am experiencing the problem, the experiencer is different from the problem. Therefore, I am not suffering. Who is suffering? Body. Matter is suffering. Even in the pocket, now if I take as anatma, body, mind, I am, and the problem also belong to me. If I see the body, mind separate, problem is separate. இதுதான் ஞானி பண்ற விஷயம். புரியறதா? Every minute a person does this. He is a wise person. If we don't remember this, I am the Atma interacting with this Anatma. Anatma is not me. Anatma with Anatma interacting. They are anityam. I, the experiencer, is nityam in the body. If body is not functioning, I am not experiencer. I remain. I am. That's all. So, prakritehe guna karmasu prakritehe guna sammudhaha. Ignorant people, they are deluded by the prakriti gunas. Interaction when they are happening. That's why everything is so fussy they are. ஐயோ இப்படி ஆச்சு அப்படி ஆச்சு இப்படி ஆச்சு கதையா சொல்லுவான். வயசு பர்சனோ அப்படி just he watches that. This is what practical transformation we have to bring into our life. Many times we may fail, doesn't matter. Anatma is so powerful, Maya Shakti. ஆனாலும் திருப்பி நம்ம ஒரிஜினல் ஸ்வரூபத்துக்கு வரணும். So, தான் அகிருஷ்ண விதஹா மந்தான். Those who are guna sammudhaha, akrishna vidaha. Krishna means Brahman. Krishna vidaha means the knower of Brahman. Akrishna vidaha means non-knower of Brahman. யாருக்கு பிரம்மன் விஷயம் தெரியாதோ இந்த பக்கம் காமிக்கணும். அப்போ left side. Okay. Those who do not know Brahman. Krishna means Brahman. Krishna Vidaha means knower of this guna karma. All you are Krishna Vidaha now. Krishna Vidaha na, who knows this fact totally. Matter interacting I am the experiencer of this matter interaction. மூவி பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கேன். என்ன மூவி? என்ன matter interacting. No screaming but screening. I am screening. I am seeing the screen but I never scream. கொஞ்சம் scream ஒரு short time வந்தா கூட உடனே I come to know this is screen. Otherwise I will become movie with movie. That's why it is called movie. Movati iti movie. It moves us, no? Our life movie also moves us. Psychosomatic ailments all will come because of real movie. We make the movie real. அழுதுண்டே இருப்பான். என்ன இது ஒரு டிராமா தானே நடக்கிறது. மேட்டர் இன்டராக்ஷன் இஸ் வாட்? ரோல் பிளேயிங். அஜ்ஞானி ரோல் ஆயிடுவான். This jnani play the role, stand apart. Ajnani rolled in the role. புரியுறதா? Husband role, wife role, daughter role. அதுதான் அந்த கிரைண்டர் தெரியுமோ? பழசு காலத்துல ஏன்ஷியன் டைம்ல இப்படி எல்லாம் பண்ணுவான். My mother used to do at home and they used to do that. All will fall, many grains, they will become powder. But some grains, no, and the peg, the wooden peg is there in the middle. இப்ப யாருக்கு தெரியாதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அந்த wooden pegக்கு சில grain stick ஆகும். அது போகாது கீழே. அந்த wooden peg குரு சாஸ்திரம் அన్నమాట. இந்த this grain ஜீவன் முக்தா. புடிச்சிட்டு பா. He will never become crushed by this world. அது பெக் மாதிரி அந்த குரு சாஸ்திரம் பிடிச்சிட்டோம்னா we are safe. இல்லைன்னா அதுக்கு கீழே ஒரு ஸ்டோன் மேல ஒரு ஸ்டோன் கஷ்டம். அவ்வளவுதான். You are all muktas. You are holding on to that wooden peg in the middle. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.